I went from a 520 credit score to 750 in 90 days using AI. And not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first, but this program literally taught me everything. Credit repair with Dispute Beast, building business credit, AI advertising, even daily trading lessons with real people on Zoom. It's actually insane how much they cover. And the best part, zero risk, which honestly sold me. If you want in, call 1-877-587-4540 right now because seating is actually limited. And I'm not just saying that.
Good morning, fellow wealth builders and credit repair persons out there. Ms. Emma, welcome.
Hello.
The market opened just a couple minutes ago. You can see we've got the chart pulled up there. You can see this right about when it did open, it took this amazing dive down, but then it built right back up on the green. So it's starting to level out a little bit. I'm going to let you explain a little bit about our 3 Pillars to Wealth program, and then we'll come back and we'll trade that market.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, and welcome from Elite Credit Investment Advisor. Again, we're here this morning to give you overview on our program for the 3 Pillars of Wealth while waiting for the practice trading, the live trading this morning. If you are interested with any of our program, if you need help on improving or restoring your credit score, we have an AI tool that can help you, which is our Dispute Beast, and it's only $97 monthly to join with us on the Credit Mastery program, and also will help you if you need to build up your business credit. It's part of our program, and you just need to, of course, contact us anytime, message us on Facebook, on YouTube, comment down on our YouTube channel while watching this stream, and then we're gonna reach you back, or you can call me directly. So that's for our Credit Mastery program. And then aside from that, we have resources that help you understand and how to monitor your credit score. We also have online trainings, Zoom trainings with the experts, with Cameron, to help you understand how it works. And if you need some ideas, want to learn or listen to some experiences about building your business, or if you want to build your own business. So it's part of our Credit Mastery program. So again, it's very affordable. It's only $97, so that won't hurt your pocket, but it would help a lot to give you more knowledge. And the second one is we have the financial education. So if you need more ideas, we have some digital books that can help you understand on how to improve your financial stability, more fundability. So it's part of our program. And the good thing here with Elite Credit and Investment Advisor is you have a real person that you can talk to every day. You can contact us 8 in the morning till 6 p.m. Monday till Saturday, and we'll be here to assist you on phone, on email, on our social sites, Instagram, Talk, Facebook, and our YouTube channel. And lastly, we have of course, the Smart Investing program, which is part of it, is the crypto trading practice program we're in. You can actually join with us every morning, or we can assist you one-on-one, doing paper trade, practice into trading, understand the market, and soon, if you familiarize how it works in the stock market, and then if you decide to actually invest real money by your own, then it's easy for you to do the trading, because you can actually join with us into practice trading with zero rest. We can assist you using the NinjaTrade platform that we are using. So it's still the same, very affordable. It's just $97 monthly, but we have a full program that can assist you 3 to 6 months. It's just only 497. So what are you waiting for? Please comment down in our comment section or contact me at 877-587-4540, and then we can assist you from there, and we'll make it sure that our team will be working with you day by day to understand every program that you are interested to join. So I hope so that you are ready to get started and start building your future on the Three Pillars of Wealth program.
Provided by Elite Consultants USA LLC is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do not offer financial, legal, or investment advice. Any credit building or stock market strategies discussed are examples and should not be seen as guarantees of results or earnings. The content provided by Elite Consultants USA LLC is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do not offer financial, legal, or investment advice. Any credit building or stock market strategies discussed are examples for learning only and should not be seen as guarantees of results or earnings. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed professional before making financial decisions.
All right, so the disclaimer's out of the way. Basically, we are looking at the, we're once again trading a $1,000 account on the Micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 Index Futures, and we are showing the basic in and outs and what to do and how to do it of the system for you to trade. You can do it for educational purposes only. Again, it's completely risk-free. You can attend. We can fit up to 10 people per day on our live stream. So if that's something you're interested in doing live today, Monday through Friday, we try to come in around the time the market opens at 9:25, 9:30 every day, Monday through Friday. Or if you want to do an individual training session, then contact Miss Emma at 877-587-4540. And we will share everything we know about the world of future trading. So we're currently in the future trading mode. We're going to go ahead and revamp this. We've got set up at $1,000 account. So we're going to enter our trade today. Now, first I want to bring some attention here, just briefly, to the actual opening chart itself. Let's pop back on over here and look at the chart. We can see, we'll start right here from the beginning. Pop over. We are doing a Trading View practice simulator. So when we say absolutely zero risk, we're not saying money back guarantee or what we are. You're trading in a simulated environment, but you're trading with the actual stock market. So you've got the NASDAQ information coming up here. We simply have chose the Trading View practice simulator. So the data coming in is the same data that you would have to trade with in a normal environment, and that's how you do your learning. So we are going to start off the $1,000 account, and we have recently sort of, if you would, mastered the art of getting in, getting out, scalping on a daily basis. And you can see all of this up and down here. The green candles coming up, the red candles coming down, consolidation, and then right about here is where the market opened. You can look at your timestamps, and you can see that the market opened. It immediately took this huge plunge down. But like I said, you can make all the money you want to for the day right here at the market, generally at the opening bell. It's got to make a drastic jump, at least 10, 15, 20 ticks, and the ticks are movements up, movements down. So it did come down 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, but it immediately reversed right here. And that's when I like to get in. I like to jump in right about 5 to 10 ticks upwards on going back to trying to go back to where it was to begin with. Now you see where we're at now, we're consolidating again. So included in our training program is going to be a series of, I like to call them the Magnificent Seven. I really only use about 7 chart indicators, and I'll show you a little bit about those charts that I use. Top and bottom, I use the head and shoulders. I use the double bottom. I use the double top. Let me just show you the chart. So when you enter into our program, we just ask you what are you looking at? Do you want to enter at a hobby level, which is $20 a day, and we'll tailor our program to show you how to make in the beginning a virtual $20 a day. If you want to look at a side hustle level, is $100 a day. We can help you formulate your program for that. And as we go up, 500, 1,000, 2,500, 5,000. It just so happens that our system, let me go ahead and remove this, and I'll show you the next level. How we do that is quite simple, okay? We have a system in place that's got structures according to how many contracts or units that we recommend that you purchase to move up that level in order to make the same amount of movement on the chart, up or down, to make that profit. So today we're starting with the $1,000 account, and it's virtually the $1,000 account is a pretty safe account. You can start with an OpenNinja account. You can fund it for as little as $100 in trade. The problem runs in that the movements up or down are so minimum that it's difficult to get a profit for anything less than a $500 account. I recommend now, having traded for several weeks on the live account and on and off for over a decade on the simulated account, both in paper trading and in virtual, now the TradingView account, that you don't start with less than $1,000 if you want to see immediate results. And that's simply because it's a much easier trading day to start with 1,000. So we started off here, it went down 4 candles, it went up. Now you can see that the day is looking bullish, and green is going up pretty good. So while we've been sitting here talking, I have been waiting for it to tell me and show me what the day is going to look like. And we can tell that now it looks like, at least for the time being, that it's going to definitely be a bullish day. So I'm going to get over here and get in on the trade. So see what we can come up with here. Let me go to my big. I want to go ahead, so I'm going to restart this up around here. All right, so $1,000. We don't want to get in for any more than 5 contracts, because if we get in for much more than 5 contracts, our margin levels are going to change. And when our margin levels changes, then we run the risk of having what's called a margin call. We don't want that. So what we're doing here, we're going to do 5 contracts, which is 5 units. Okay. And we got in for 50 ticks on the stop loss. We got in for 50 ticks on the take profit. We're going to buy in. All right. So now we are in. And it looks like, let me go ahead and change that chart out. I believe that the chart I have up is not the chart that I'm trading. Let's get that removed. I need to share the one with you guys that we're actually trading on. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's it right there. Okay, so the trade is in. We traded on the bear side. We've got 5 units, 5 contracts. We did a take profit of 50 ticks, and we did a stop loss of 50 ticks. And you can see that at 5 units, $1,000 account. Let me go ahead and X this out. Let's see if that'll X out. Where's that at? All right, you see this trading upward, got a $40 in there. All right, so you can clearly see now there you go. That's the rest of the information I wanted you to see right there. All right, so we got $127.20 to the good right there. So we started with $1,000 account. If we were doing the $20 account, like we mentioned earlier, we have met our daily quota. If we were doing a $100 account, we would have made our daily quota. Today, we're going to try to trade up to $500. So we're going to get back in the game, and we're going to click our trade button. All right, we've got 5 units. We're going to click our take profit and our stop loss. And once again, don't ever get into any kind of even simulated trade. Don't get in the habit of not setting your stop loss to your take profit. Okay, you absolutely have got to set some parameters, because you can move them around some if you decide to and that kind of thing as you go. But if you get in the habit of setting them every time, then you're going to be a lot better off. So let's go ahead and get in our trade. So we're in our trade. We're going to change that down here, confirm that. Now let's look at where we're at on the take profit. So we're on $67.60. We want to set our take profit up. Let's see where we're at. $110. So we're going to leave that at $110. We're going to watch that green candle go up and tag that $110. And that's going to give us another $110 in profit. We're already at $110 for the day. So we are watching that happen, and it's unfolding as we speak. We're at 32.50, 65, trading back and forth a little bit right there. You see it 62, $30. It's gonna play tag a little bit. I like to say it flirts right there at the top, but we've got to have the confidence that it's not going to go too far down before it does reversal 87.50. By and large, it's a bear day. So there's your another $110. Let's look at that. So I like to trade somewhere, just personally, myself, it's $239.60 to the good. We could call that a day. $200 a day, 5 days a week, that's $1,000 a week, $4,000 a month. That's nothing to sneeze at. That's completely doable. Let's try, since we're good, we haven't lost any trades this morning, we haven't lost any equity. Let's go ahead and get in here and hit the button one more time. And then we get to decide, do we want to go ahead and trade? We're going to do exactly the same thing, by the way. Take profit, stop loss, 50 ticks. Find something that works for you and continue and do it every time, same way every time. That way, when it starts to work and be consistent, you'll know what you're doing for you. So we are in. We're going to go ahead and confirm our movement here. Let's try to see where our take profits are up here. $90. We can afford to take that up a little bit. 272. Let's bring it. We bring that up about 250. Confirm that. So what we did is we took our take profit up to $250. And you can see down here that we're at 239. So as our trade progresses out of the negative, which is the red numbers in this little square, are trading on the negative side. 57.50, and then what we want it to do is we need it to go ahead and get tired of trading to the downside and consolidate. So what it's doing is gone up so far this morning to here. And it's going to take a couple of trades down. You're going to watch it trade down a little bit. Then it's going to stop, and it's going to reverse, and it's going to go up. The green candles are going to go up. And when it goes up, we're going to see it go to that $250 take profit that we planned on. So while we're waiting for that to happen, let me go ahead and play some of our information from some of our new programs. Of course, you know that I have the books published on the financial literacy, and they're called 3 Pillars of Wealth. With the 3 Pillars of Wealth, we have the Credit Mastery, which includes the AI Dispute Beast for personal credit repair. Let's play a little something from them real quick, and we'll be right back. I personally use Dispute Beast. It's fantastic, and I recommend it to absolutely everybody that needs to repair their personal credit. Let's have a look over here in the archives, and we'll get that cranked up.
I escaped the paycheck to paycheck life by the age of 25. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s and you're broke, you're not alone. But staying broke, that's a choice. By the end of this video, you're going to know a 9-step blueprint to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable, even if you're working a minimum wage job or drowning in debt. This is the exact same system used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing but a bad credit score and a cracked iPhone. And it's exactly what I would do if I lost everything today and had to start over at 21. This video is one of the most important wake-up calls for Americans right now, because we're living in the age of inflation, $5 gas, and 5-figure student loan bills, but the tools to escape, they're more available than ever. This is going to be a 9-step process, and you do not want to skip a single one because it can throw the entire process off. So let's jump in. Step number 1, we need to audit your reality, because you can't escape something you won't look at. We need to go old school with this. Open your bank app, get a notepad, write down your income, your expenses, and your debts. Then circle the things you're emotionally avoiding. That $897 credit card bill that you've been ignoring. I understand this hurts, but it's necessary because you can't fix what you're blind to. Now, step number 2, we want to eliminate financial parasites. A lot of you are not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna say it. Netflix, DoorDash, Amazon Prime, random gym memberships you haven't used since February. Kill them. Kill them all. Because every single dollar you spend out of habit is a dollar that keeps you broke. Most 20-somethings are bleeding $300 to $500 a month on absolutely nothing. Simply put, cut everything ruthlessly. You can always resubscribe later. Now, moving to step number 3, master one high-income skill. If you're working 40 hours a week and still can't breathe financially, you don't need more hours. You need more valuable hours. Good example, copywriting, digital ads, video editing, sales, or coding. Pick one and commit 6 months to it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step number 4, open a high-yield savings account. It's one of the easiest and best things you'll ever do. Put your emergency fund in a place that actually earns you something. Online banks like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi offer way better rates than your local banks. You're not investing just yet. This is your sleep well fund. Let's just be honest. Banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Chase Bank are giving you absolutely nothing to hold your money in their bank. It's time to make smart moves with your money. Now, moving on to step number 5, get a side hustle that scales. Uber's fine, but at the end of the day, it's a dead end. Instead, you could do things like flip items on eBay, create digital products, run a content page, start affiliate marketing, something that can grow even when you sleep. Because remember, trading time for money forever equals modern day slavery. Step number 6, automate 3 key habits. This is crucial. It's what I call the set it and forget it. Number 1, auto transfer $100 a month to savings. Put it away and don't even look at it. It's like it doesn't exist. Number 2, auto pay your credit cards to pay off in full every single month. We don't pay these banks any interest fees. If you don't have the money to pay it, don't use a credit card. It's that simple. And number 3, my favorite, auto invest $20 a week into an index fund. Even small amounts done consistently will stack faster than you ever think. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Kenneth. Kenneth's credit score went up 282 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. And Arthur's credit score went up 670 points after just 2 rounds with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget Destiny. Destiny's credit score went up 264 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Luis, Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget James. James's credit score went up 207 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Tanya, Tanya's credit score went up 289 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Christian's credit score went up 366 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And let's not forget about Allison. Allison's credit score went up 204 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Brandon, Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Ashley's credit score went up 218 points after just two rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget about Julio. Julio's credit score went up 266 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast's link is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Moving on to step number 7. This is my favorite because this is what really changed everything around for me. Use what's called the zero-based budget trick. Here's the key. Every dollar you earn gets assigned a job before you even spend it. Rent, groceries, gas, savings, debt. Your income minus expenses should equal 0. This is exactly how broke 20-somethings build rich habits. And of course, this one cannot be avoided. Step number 8, fix your credit score. Your credit score isn't just a number. It's your ticket to lower interest rates, better apartments, and yes, wealth. You want to always make sure to dispute inaccurate items because negative accounts are not accurate, complete, or fair. You can dispute anything your little heart desires. Always make sure to pay your credit cards on time and never let your utilization cross the threshold of 0%. We do not want to owe anybody any money and we don't want any debt. If your credit score sucks, link is going to be in the video description for DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast will do all the work for you, mail the letters, and it comes with a 110% money back guarantee. There's literally no excuse. It's risk-free. Just fix your credit already.
All right, we are back. And let's get back to the stage with the trading here. Share my screen. All right, let's see where our trade's going. Let's have a look. All right, so the trade's going good. It's just moved over into the green. You can see that it's a +10 there. Let's go ahead and check our charts just again real quick. We'll pull that down. It looks like 70.50 to the good. We'll watch it just a few minutes. $20 to the good, 17.50. So it's you can see where it had consolidated here, going up and down, going up and down, going up and down. And now it's continuing up just as we predicted, which we need it to go up to that $250 mark. So we're going to watch it. And I call it flirting. It's going to flirt back and forth on this blue line right here. And what we're looking for is we're looking for it to go ahead and take a little bit of a run. Slide this over here where I can see it a little better. We need it to go ahead and take a little run upwards. Let's see. Toward that green marker that we're looking at. So it's taking a little bit of reversal right now. We know that it's going to stop and go back up to green. That's fairly predictable because it's doing the same thing. Did the same consolidation here before we had a breakout down. Then it came back up to level. Then it went way above. Now it's consolidating, so it's going to go up. And let's take a look. Let's take a look at the to show you where we get the idea of how we know where it's going to go. Let's look at the 5-day. So here's the 5-day. So where we're currently at, it's pretty much even with where we were over here a couple of days ago, right? Then let's look at the 1 month. All right, so this is where we're at today. And you can look that we're above, we're trending, and the trend is our friend. We're trending slightly above where we were a month ago. Okay, and we're currently up even or consolidated with just about the average of where you would expect it any given day. Having said that, we can pretty much forecast that it's going to go up at least as far to the 250. And we could pull this down for a win right in here above the top of this candle, about $100 if we chose to. But I prefer to wait until it goes ahead and changes gears and comes up here and tags us up on this profit. So that's the scenario. We're going to wait till it changes, and it has consolidated here, and it's got a little bit of a breakout. You can see over here in these numbers, the red numbers in the box, that it's flirting around a little under where it needs to be, but I fully believe in the next few minutes it's going to break across that and go up. So while I'm talking about that, we'll go ahead and pull a file up and show you one of our latest and greatest programs, and that is for all you over-the-road truck drivers that are out there that have got a little time on your hands with a laptop or a decent cell phone. You can literally trade while you truck. So we've got a program that's custom fit just for you, so that you can elevate your nest egg while you're trading. Instead of sort of trading just the driving hours and being away from home so much, you can trade on your laptop, so to speak, in your off hours, on your off time. We even have a program where you can trade with your signals. So you can signal trade, and I'll show you a little more about that. So let's learn how to trade while we truck. So let's take a look at that.
My truck payment used to be $1,800. Now my phone makes that in a week. I'm still driving my rig, but I've turned those long hours on the road into serious money-making time. How? With Elite Credit's AI-powered trading system designed specifically for truckers like us. While I'm rolling down I-40 or waiting at a loading dock, my AI assistant is analyzing the market and alerting me to potential trades. The best part? I started with zero experience and practiced completely risk-free. Their hands-free system works perfectly with our driving schedule. Stop just driving for dollars when you could be building wealth on the road. Call 1-877-587-4540 now. Your rig takes you places, now your money can too.
You're muted, sir.
That's the story of my life. I'm muted when I need to be talking. I'm talking when I need to be muted. That's okay. That's how you know it's real. There's nuts and states here. So we'll talk for just a minute about the trucking, the trading while you're trucking program. It's a brand new program we've got. It comes in 3 flavors. The first flavor is you can literally be with us on a live Zoom in person or trade with us daily. Of course, naturally, you're going to be needing to be pulled over at a rest stop or taking your break when you're doing your trading, but you can trade and learn your market insights and that sort of thing with us on a daily basis. The second way is you can do what we call signal trading, and signal trading is really awesome. I got a great group of people that I work with, and I trade, let's see, 7 times a day. And what they do is they send us a signal, and we copy and paste that signal, and we make so much money per trade every day. So why that works so well is, for example, if you're on the road and you set your time for your breaks, you set your time. The first trade of the day is at 1 p.m. and then we've got a 2, we've got 2:30, we've got a 7 p.m., 8:30, 9. So if you trade, let's say you're trading to 1 p.m. and to 7 p.m., set those as your break times. Pull over, activate your phone, do the copy and paste, and you're making money. The AI robots are trading the stock market for you, and you're making money every day as you go. So we have that program available. We call it Trade While You Truck, and you also can learn with us on a person-to-person basis and trade whenever you do have a stop break on the market. The regular market's open from 9:30 a.m. till about 4 p.m. and then there's an aftermarket session as well. So, all right, having said that, let's look at our chart. You can see here that we did have some consolidation, a downward trend on the 4 red candles here. We're currently riding the surf of success, so to speak. On this green candle, it's heading up to this blue line right now as we speak. When it hits the blue line, it's going to turn to green over here in the money. And then literally we will be what's called in the money. So we'll be in the green, success over there. And then when it goes from here, it trades up this amount of ticks to the green here, you will have seen your profit. So 24,950, 24,960, 970 is where the profit is. So it needs to travel up 20 ticks. And that's what we're about to see here. When it crosses threshold, this green candle comes up and hits the original investment points, what this blue line is, by the way. This is where originally we got in and determined by these two candlesticks. The top of these two candlesticks was our buy indicator. And we got in here. You're going to see this numerical amount right here where it says -10 plus 15. So that's green. You're currently in the money. From this point on, you can take a profit. So you're seeing it trade upward to this mark up here. This is our $250 mark. And as I predicted earlier in the day, we want to get out of the whole trade today with about a $500 profit. And we're going to make that happen here live. Go ahead and get them balanced up here. Make that happen here live, and then we'll call it a day. And once again, it's going to flirt or consolidate right in here. And then I expect it to make a decent little jaunt right on up here and tag out on the $250 profit. So let's watch just a second. And if it doesn't go ahead and pop over right here in a minute, we'll play us another video. But it looks to me like it's going to go ahead and take a little upward trend there. So let's, we'll just watch it for just a second. There we go, -5. It's getting pretty close to wanting to take a little journey. And it has a tendency to do that. It has a tendency to go back and forth a little bit and make a little jump. So let's have a look. Plus 15, that's $15 to the good. 55 to the good. There it goes. 55, 62.50, 167.50, 177. See it go up? Just like I mentioned a minute ago. 155, 195, 177, 180. It's gonna flirt a little bit right there. And I expect one good. It's got pressure on it, see, so it's built up resistance. And I believe that's gonna make one more little push up there and hit the 255. So let's see how she does here in the next few minutes. 30 seconds to a minute from now, it should be in our favor and have added to our bottom line, so to speak. 176, 167, 172, 177, 75. We just need a little bit of a push. 182. That's the market reacting to the buyers and sellers. $200. 190, $200. There are buyers and sellers out there. They're selling as fast as other folks are buying, and that's what changes the mix in the market. We were at 200 a minute ago. We could have popped that out, but we wanted to wait for it to get to 255. We still do. We want to stick by our guns. Just going to have a look at it here. And what you're seeing is called support and resistance. That's how the market's trading today. But it is trading bullish. We did get in at the right spot. We haven't lost a single trade today thus far. Simulated $1,000 account we started with. We're in the plus, we're in the good, and we're waiting for it to make our final profit of the day. Once we get that 255, we'll be right there around the $500 profit mark for the day, and we're going to call that a day. So the theme today was trading a $1,000 virtual account to a $500 profit, and we want to see that unfold here for us. Since it's doing a little bit of reversal right now, I'm going to pop over here, watch one more video, and then we'll be back and we'll watch it pull back up. Let's see, how about, yeah, this is a good one. Let's start your own trade.
Trucking was impossible without massive capital. Here's how I proved them wrong. With just 0, you can build your own trucking empire. Get monthly 500 payouts while we help you fast-track business credit on your EIN. Our experts guide you every step of the way, from paperwork to profits. Call 1-877-587-4000, 540 now. Trucks, credit, freedom. Let's roll.
All right, we're back again. talking just for a minute about our latest program there. That's a 5K program. You start with 5K, and we pay out $500 a month for a year. That's $6,000 return on $5,000 down. At the same time, you're learning to do trading on your own. You also are having your personal credit repair, building business credit on your EIN, not your social. So credit mastery, smart investing, and financial education. Those are the three pillars of wealth, and we cover them all three with the 5K program. Once again, contact them at 877-587-4540 if you're interested in more of that. Hey, and let's look at our trade up here. So what we're seeing here is we saw it go up almost to our mark up here and pull back just before our success point. It consolidated and came down 3 red candles. And we're not concerned at all about that. That just means we have to sit back and wait a few more minutes while it comes. We could have taken that $200 profit here, all right? Instead, we decided to stay in the game, and I stick with that. I believe that it's going to consolidate here at the red candle, make a green run up here, and go ahead and tag us out. So if there's anything that needs to be learned right off the bat when you're trading the market at all, that's patience. You've got to trade your plan your trade, okay? And that's what we're doing. We're sticking to our guns at the 255. We're seeing it consolidate, trade up and down a little, and we're understanding that what that means is it is still a bullish market. It does drop into the red candles a little here and there, but it's a manageable differential. It's not dropping to the point where we're concerned at all that it's gonna stay down. It's simply trading. It's simply flowing, just like the ocean. As if you were surfing. You're waiting for the perfect wave, but you're still out there and you're still surfing. You don't get out, put your board away, call it a day and go home. Instead, you just wait for that perfect set of waves. So in a lot of ways, the market reminds us of the surf. So we're looking out there and we're seeing the numbers move up again, 62.50, 65, up and down. But the green candle is still trending toward the bullish side. We're gonna give it just a few minutes here. See if it doesn't take a decent leap up there toward the 250. And again, an option for us at this point, we could get out at $50 and get back in at our leisure. Get back in later. Get back in after lunch. You're never required to stay in the trade. But when you trade in this, you stay in the trade, you're building confidence in yourself and your trading system, your plan. And that's what we're doing. We're planning our trade and we're trading our plan. So 82.50, and it's moving up there. It's 87, 90. I could hit the button over here and sell at any moment. So we could take the money and run. But instead, we're going to kind of try to stay loyal to that trade and watch it a few. There it goes, 95, 97, $100. We need a little bit more support. Go ahead and pop over there and give us the profit we're looking for. But it's on the market timing, so it's completely up to the market. We are trading the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 index futures today. We have a tendency to trade that one. It's my favorite one to trade because the volatility is just right. The supply and demand is just about right. The entire market moves slower than just say an individual stock sometimes. So it's easy to get a little bite of the apple there. We'll give it a few more minutes and then we'll jump out. We'll come back another time to trade, but we're doing fine so far. Up and down, up and down. That's the story of the trade. I think I've got one more video and then we'll pop back in and check on it. We're going to trade. We're going to talk about trading with Tickeron, which is our how to trade with robots. So AI trading with the robots coming up.
AI robots. Here at Tickeron, our goal is to help regular, everyday traders compete with and even outperform hedge funds and professional traders. So, if you do not want to miss any of our videos that help you find the best trades, click the subscribe button. Now, let's get to the AI robots. Our AI robots make trades in real time, and as you can see, their performance is pretty strong. You can join these robots and follow their trades live. Buy when they buy, sell when they sell, profit when they profit. We realize that traders want to see results, and here at Tickeron, our proprietary artificial intelligence provides results. From the Tickeron homepage, all you have to do is click on AI robots. Here, you can choose which robots to follow. Each group shows you the annualized return, the average number of trades, and how long this robot has been trading. It also shows the profit loss or P&L for both open and closed trades at any given time, so you can make sure the robots are successful. Choose the robots that fit your trading strategy based on the amount of trades they make daily. Only follow the trades you like. You can even try paper trading along with the robots using Tickeron's paper trade feature, so you're confident in the robot's performance before you follow them into real trades. Buy one robot and you get a free $60 a month in credit to get other products. Buy two robots and you get $100 a month for free in credit to get other products. If you buy 3 robots, then in addition to $120 a month in credit, you get access to all of the other robots for free. Stop buying high and selling low. Start making trades that count. Click the link in the description and try trading with AI robots today. Only with Tickeron. Are you ready to start winning?
Good question. So another option that we've got, I thought I'd go ahead and bring this up. Miss Emma, I'll go ahead and put you on there to talk live for just a minute, and then I'll take a look over here at the charts, and then I'll pop back on.
Okay, well, thank you, sir. All right, again to our viewers and our supporter out there watching this stream on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. If you are interested of any program that we offer here in Elite Credit and Investment Advisor, again for the Credit Mastery Program, for our Smart Investing Program, Financial Education, please comment down on the comment section, or please contact me at 877-587-4540, and from there we're gonna schedule you on live training or one-on-one mentorship, question and answer. If you have questions on any of our program, if you want to join our 3-day free training on the Credit Mastery Program, please contact me so that we can put you on schedule. So we have free training for 3 days. It's just 30 minutes a day. For one session, it's just 30 minutes, so that we can help you understand how it works with Credit Mastery Program, how it works to improve your credit score, build your personal credit or your business credit if you are planning to expand your business. So we can help you, or we have information, we have people that can help you understand on how to boost your credit score. So of course we have our affiliation with DisputeBeast, our AI tool for credit restoration to boost your credit score, with Mike as well, information from Mike with DisputeBeast. Sorry. So again, just hit me up or call me anytime. Feel free to contact me. Look for my name, Emma, and from there we're gonna assist you, and you will be part of our program. So, and then if you have any topic that you wanted to discuss here on live stream, just let us know. You can also email us at personalandbusiness@gmail.com anytime, and just put any of our program on the subject, and then your question or any topic that you wanted to discuss, and we're gonna reply back with our answer, or we can call you directly if you email us your phone number. So feel free to contact me and let's start building your journey with us. Wow, 97. You're muted, sir.
Okay, I'm back. So you're watching it consolidate a little bit. It's up to 90, 95, 97. What we're going to end up doing, we're going to end up going ahead and that's 107. We'll take that $100 off the market. So we took that $100, so we just don't have to sit there all day and watch it trade. And you can see your trades here. So we've consolidated several times. We've made money several times. We traded several times, and you can kind of get an idea of how that trading simulator works. And once again, you can trade with us on a daily basis. You can come to us. We can fit up to 10 people live on this particular broadcast. If you're the kind of person that really doesn't want themselves broadcast all over this, we're currently on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. If you'd rather have a personal training session and get a hold of Emma, she'll set you up with your personalized training session back and forth, and you can learn all of the tips and tricks and secrets that we have on how to get your own TradingView account. We're affiliates with TradingView, we're affiliated with NinjaTrader, and we have accounts with all of those. We can get you a discount, short, medium, and long term. We can get you the best possible deal out there. If you're ready to increase your financial situation, whether it be through personal credit restoration, I personally use Dispute Beast every day, and I have brought my score up consistently and getting to the point very soon where I'll be at the top of my game, so to speak, on the credit. But I do personally use all of the products that we recommend. So I won't recommend it if I don't use it. I do have a TradingView account that I use every day. Naturally, you see me here Monday through Friday. I have a personalized NinjaTrader account, which I trade on as a broker. And then I also have the AI trading program, and I really like that. We just mentioned it a minute ago, how to trade with the robots. I really like the robot trading program. You simply copy and paste 1, 3, 5, 7 times a day, however many times you sign up for, and copy the link, paste it into your program, and look at your balance, and your balance continues to increase. Okay, with that, Miss Emma, I'll let you sign us off, and we'll talk to them again tomorrow.
All right. Well, thank you everyone for being with us this morning. And again, please feel free to contact me anytime, 877-587-4540. And put your question in our comment section on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. And from there, we're gonna reply back with your comments. So God bless everyone. See you tomorrow for another exciting practice trading on Ninja Trade. Thank you.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 Pillars of Wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 Pillars of Wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.